Hello friends, welcome to Tukira Sarees. Today we are going to see a very beautiful cotton kalamkari sarees which has got a beautiful running blouse piece. This is the first saree which has got a beautiful pista green base. This saree has got a beautiful peacock in the pallu. Let's turn it for you. So this is the pallu of the saree which has got a beautiful peacock and lotus. This is the blouse piece and body of the saree. The body of the saree has got beautiful flowers and a black based border. The second saree has got a half-white base body and a maroon based pallu. This saree has got such a beautiful single peacock in the pallu of the saree. And this is the blouse and the body together. The body of the saree has a beautiful creepers and lotus and has also got a maroon based border. This is the blouse and body. The next saree is my personal favorite, which has got such a beautiful dancing dolls. This saree has got a half-white body and a maroon based border. The pallu of the saree has got a beautiful peacocks in the maroon base and the body has got a half-white base which has dancing dolls and the blouse of the saree. The body of the saree has got a big border which has a maroon base on one side and a blue border on other side which has a beautiful dancing dolls. So this is blouse and the body. Hope you like this collection. Let's move on to the next saree. This saree has got a red based body which has a mustard based border. This saree has got again a single peacock which has instrument in the pallu. The blouse piece has beautiful paisley and the body has also got a paisley like peacocks. I'll just turn it around. The body of the saree has got a paisley like peacock and a peacocks in the border of the saree. The border has got a beautiful mustard background. This blouse and the body together. The next saree is a blue based body and a maroon based border. The pallu of this saree has got such a beautiful Radhe Krishna and holy cow and peacocks. You can see how beautifully designed the pallu is, and the blouse has also got a beautiful god and goddesses. This is the body and the blouse. The body has also got a beautiful god and goddesses with a maroon border. Blouse and the body together. So this saree is a black based kalamkari saree which has got a maroon based pallu. This saree has got a beautiful single peacock in the pallu. So this is the blouse piece. The blouse has got a white base with a maroon blocks. All the sarees are block printed in a cotton saree which will be very comfortable to wear. This feels so soft to your body. You can wear it for any climate. This saree gives you a very elegant look as well. The body of the saree has got a beautiful flowers and creepers. A blouse and the body together for a clear understanding. The next saree has got an olive green base. The pallu of the saree has got a beautiful paste lace in pink and olive green color. So this has also got the running blouse piece which has a beautiful creepers in the white base. The blouse has also got the borders. So you can see blouse and the body together. The body of the saree has got flowers. The next saree is again a beautiful red based saree which has god and goddess figures in the body of the saree. Let me turn it. You can see the clear picture of the god and goddess in this saree. This saree has again got a beautiful Radhe Krishna with a whole cow and peacocks in the pallu. This saree has also got a god and goddess figures in the blouse piece. So this is blouse and the body together. The body has again got a beautiful god and goddess figures. Let me turn it for you. So you can see the god and goddess figures in the body of this saree. So this is the body and the blouse together. The next saree is a beautiful blue based saree which has white based borders, a half white border. This saree has got a beautiful two peacocks facing each other in the pallu. And the blouse has got beautiful birds. You can see how beautiful the birds in the pallu blouse piece has. So this is the body and the border of the saree and a bird block print blouse piece. The next saree is a beautiful black based saree and a brown based border. This saree has got a beautiful two peacocks in the pallu facing each other. The body, the blouse of the saree has got a beautiful block prints You can see the blouse and the body together. So the border of the saree has got a maroon base which has got peacocks. So now you can see the border which has peacocks on both the sides. So this is blouse and the body. So the next saree is a mustard color saree, a mustard based body. The pallu of the saree has got two beautiful peacocks standing on the branches of the tree. This has got a black block print based blouse which goes beautiful with the mustard yellow saree. Let me turn it. The body of the saree has got creepers and peacocks. So you can see the blouse and the body of the saree together. The border has got peacocks in the maroon base and the blouse, body and border together. So the last saree is a red based saree. The pallu of the saree has got a beautiful Radhe Krishna with the holy cow and peacocks. The blouse of the saree has beautiful peacocks with musical instruments. So you can see the blouse and the body together. The blouse has got peacock with musical instruments and the body has also got peacocks with musical instruments. Hope you loved this collection. Do subscribe our channel for more collections.